Bangladesh is about the size of New York State, but with nearly 9 times the population. It's one of the most densely populated places on Earth, where 170 million stories unfold daily, offering photographers a unique canvas. If you're ready to immerse yourself in this vibrant world, capture its most intimate moments, and take your creativity, skills, and perspective to new heights, we invite you to join us on this inspiring and unforgettable journey. This density brings challenges: poverty, inequality, and vulnerability. Through our lens and local network, we will witness and document these realities and engage with local nonprofits working tirelessly on the front lines of change. This photo tour is curated for intermediate to advanced photographers with a focus on portraiture and storytelling. If you're drawn to faces, fleeting moments, and the poetry of light, this experience will not disappoint. We start in vibrant and chaotic Dhaka, where we'll explore hand-picked locations that offer rich ground for documentary photography, spaces where people endure grueling labor, not out of choice, but out of duty, upheld by the unshakable responsibility to care for their families. These environments, though intense, offer profound opportunities for connection, dialogue, and the creation of raw, honest imagery that speaks to both hardship and humanity. Next, we head to Cox's Bazar, home to traditional fishing villages along the world's longest beach, where you'll build a visual narrative around life in coastal communities, framed by daily life and memorable sunsets. Photographing Bangladesh means stepping into a world that's intense and visually unforgettable. It might break your heart at times, but it will also light you up, inspire and challenge you, and shift how you see the world. And what will stay with you the longest? The people, warm, curious, and incredibly generous, with their time, their stories, and their portraits. Join us to see, feel, and photograph a world few ever witness, telling stories that matter while refining your skills in portraiture and narrative photography.